We've got breaking news coming in right there. Kerala gold scam accused Sarit has been sent to 7-day NIA custody. 2 more men have been arrested by the NIA. Gopi Krishna Onnithan is bringing us all the very latest on this breaking story. Kerala gold scam accused Sarit sent to 7-day NIA custody. 2 more men have been arrested by the NIA. Gopi, if you could walk our viewers through the latest development that is coming in. There's just so much more than what meets the eye in this particular case. So many twists and turns coming in, and now the latest coming in is that the accused Sarit has been sent to a 7-day custody and 2 more men have been arrested by the NIA. If you could bring us up to speed with the latest developments.
Well, Cheti, we have 2 important news breaks coming from 2 of the most prominent cities in the state. First, I will just take you through what you have just pointed out. Sarit is actually the first accused to have been taken into custody by the customs immediately after this particular gold was recovered. So he has been in customs custody and later he was remanded to judicial custody. Now, after the NIA has taken up the investigation, now it's their turn to interrogate him, question him and try and get as much information as possible. On the other hand, we also have a series of arrests and raids and interrogations being conducted by both these agencies, and 2 more people have been arrested. We must say that they were taken to custody yesterday, or they were actually brought for questioning. They were called up for summoned for questioning and their arrest was recorded today. Now, coming to the second and most important news break, M. Shiv Shankar IAS, who was the Principal Secretary to Chief Minister, he has been suspended. Now, this comes just a day after a special inquiry committee has submitted its inquiry report that was headed by Chief Secretary and Additional Chief Secretary Finance. And that particular inquiry committee report actually suggests that Shiv Shankar has made a reference for Swapna Suresh to get her an appointment under one of the IT Parks projects, which was in the Space Park. So that actually tells a lot about the clout and collusion between Shiv Shankar, one of the top IAS officers in the state, and Swapna Suresh, who is one of the major accused in this gold smuggling scam.
Absolutely. Leave it at that. Thanks much, Gopi, for joining us with those very latest details. Let's move on now to the other big story we're tracking here on COVID-19 crisis coming in from the state of Karnataka.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.